Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. We're in one of our very favorite camping spots, and when I go camping, I really could sit in the lawn chair and just enjoy nature. But with the kids and the grandkids, they want lots of activities. So we're going to share with you today some of the things that we really enjoy to keep them busy all the time. One of the favorite things that our family enjoys doing is using the camera on their phone and having a photographic scavenger hunt. This takes a little bit of preparation before you get there. So get some 3x5 cards, make a list of things that you want them to take a picture of. It could be a bird or a flower, maybe a bug, maybe a squirrel, or if you're lucky, a snipe. So send them out, and if you really want to make it exciting, bring a few prizes along for the winners. Years ago, I ran a camp that had a long rocky shore, and we knew that campers love to throw and skip rocks in the water. We didn't want them over by our swimming area doing that, so we decided to set up a rock range. And now it's kind of a family tradition when we go to the lake. So all we do is take a bottle, this is a water bottle, we just tie a rope to it, take it out to a certain depth, tie a rock to the other end, throw it in, and you've got some bobbing targets. And make sure it's away from where anybody's going to be swimming or going out. But this is one of the really fun things that we did, and we had hundreds of kids down throwing rocks in a controlled area. And we probably put out 5 or 6 targets, which we don't do for our family. We generally put out 2 or 3, but really a fun activity. I hope you'll try that one. One of our very favorite activities is disc golf. Now, we don't go ahead and set up a course, but this is how we play mountain disc golf. Each person has one disc, and the first person that starts chooses the target. And it may be quite a ways away, and he's going to say, I'm going to throw to that rock or to that tree, and the person with the least number of throws to get to that object chooses the next one. So you just start, and off you go. Looks like I'm the target, so I got to choose the next target. One of the things that we really enjoy doing is playing table games. Easy to throw in your card game. We love Uno, we love 5 Crowns. Choose your favorite game, throw it in. And here's something that we really like to do. It's kind of your own game that you make up on your own. It's the memory game. So I've put some items underneath here. We're going to give the kids about 10 seconds. I'm going to unveil them and then cover them back up, and they can make a list of everything that was underneath here. Give it a try. Count yourself down for 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. How did you do? I know 10 seconds is pretty quick, and for making this video, we didn't want a full minute pause, but you may do 30 seconds or 1 minute, however long it takes for someone to finally get them all. And as you're looking at that, did you remember the map? And to finish off our video today, we want to talk about some things that you can do for evening campfire activities. One of the really fun things that we did as a family is a murder mystery. You can go buy them in a box, and everybody has their own individual character that they're going to play. And we took those characters before we went to camp, and we gave them to each person and said, be ready to play your character. And we all came in costume of what that character was, and ours happened to be a Western theme. And it was really fun sitting around the campfire, acting out this murder mystery and trying to figure out who done it. One of the other things that you can do is talk about your adventures during the day. I worked for many years as a river guide, and everybody coming off the river had an adventurous story to tell. So we can talk about what happened to you today. Talk about family history things, talk about nature, talk about the history of the area, or even finish up with scary stories. Whatever you like to do, but make sure that you're planned out and have a great time while you're camping. Thank you for the gift of time that you've given to us for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. And we hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv.